world, it's me, Jamni, and welcome back to my channel, Jamni World. And today, you might be wondering what type of video we're doing today. Well, I'm going to show you guys how to make a veggie wrap. And I need to go to the kitchen, so before we go into the kitchen, remember to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. Okay, let's go into the kitchen. Whoa! I arrived in the kitchen. So, as I told you, we're going to make a veggie wrap. So for the ingredients you need, you will need some sliced onions and sliced cucumbers and a sliced cheese as well. And you'd also need some vegetable quarter pounds. As you can see, we got them here. But we cooked them in the fryer right over here. This is the fryer. We cooked it in the fryer for 10 minutes, so because it was frozen from the packet. And you could also use a pan, but we decided to use a fryer. Anyways, also you would need some tortillas, and you would need a ketchup and sweet chili sauce if you want to, and a hot chili sauce. And we're gonna put hot chili sauce in my wrap, and because I like spicy food. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is put the tortilla in the pan, like over there, and yeah, and then you have to wait until it gets really warm and it gets ready. So we just have to wait. And I forgot to tell you, you know when I told you that you need this much, like you need these vegetables, but you could also include tomatoes, but we decided not to use tomatoes. So this is how the tortilla is looking so far. It's kind of getting ready. Okay, it's ready, and now it's on the plate. So the next thing you got to do is put the cucumbers on top. And after that, you have to put the onions. And then you put the quarter pounds, the veggie quarter pounds. And then after, you add some ketchup. And then after that, you add some sweet chili sauce. It said that I said chili, but actually it's not that spicy. It's actually really sweet. But this one's the most spiciest one, this type of ketchup. So we put almost all the ingredients. Now the one that's the last one to put on the wrap is the cheese. And then you just sprinkle some more vegetables on top, like cucumbers and onions. And then you wrap it like this. So you fold one end and then you do the other end. And then you roll it up. It already looks so delicious so far. I really want to eat it. And it is. And we made a perfect wrap. And anyways, I need to enjoy my veggie wrap. So I'm going to see you next week for my next video. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye. And thanks for watching.